Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about the introduction of GoHighLevel. So what is GoHighLevel and its features and its pricing. So we'll be talking about each and everything in details. So this is the part one of GoHighLevel. So basically GoHighLevel is all sales in one platform, means you can sales have a sales in one platform and customer management system, and this is a marketing automation tool. So this is a short introduction of GoHighLevel. So let's delve into the features over there. So here you will be very you will be very clear about GoHighLevel. So I have thought about the what does GoHighLevel do. So here are the features of GoHighLevel. So CRM and unlimited sales funnels, website builders, survey and forms. So email marketing is also there, two-way SMS marketing, so booking and appointments and workflow automations, courses, products, and call tracking. Oh my goodness. So here are all the uh, different helpful features like tracking and analytics, repetition management, communities, and gray level mobile app and white level desktop app. So we'll be discussing about everything in upcoming videos. So this is a part one of GoHighLevel. So here are the features. So simply you can see, so all the sales, all the marketing automation are here. So it will be easier for you to just get GoHighLevel. So this is a very nice platform. So here is the pricing of GoHighLevel. Like for the starter is 97 USD. So you can simply see the features over there, all the tools to capture more leads, and you can simply see all these things. And for the unlimited package is $297 per month. You can simply have 14 days trial period. Also take your agency to the next level. So you will build the good agency, good bonding between the agency and the customer. So GoHighLevel is this thing. So let's talk about white leveling. So what does white leveling in GoHighLevel? So your own white level platform, so this you can simply build your brand over here. So legally you can build your brand over here. So simply you can own your own platform. So sell it to your agency customers, sell it at your own price and additional revenue source. So if you build the agency here in HighLevel, then simply you can buy or you can simply sell over here. So this is your platform. You have made, you have built a customer. So this is your platform. So legally you can do all these things. So this is a like agency builder. So as it is, you can do. So here you can simply see HighLevel app. So it supports in both Android and iOS. So simply you can download from like Play Store. So you can simply download over here, or you can simply log in and download over there. So that's just a very easy process. So after that you can simply see the overview of the app, overview of the like high level features, everything you can simply see on the app also. So we have talked about the introduction of high level. We have reviewed some high level features. So there are lots of features over there. We have talked about the pricing also and everything else, and white level leveling also we have talked about, and we have talked about the app also. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos of high level. This is part one. We'll be uploading more and more. So till then, bye bye and take care.